What's up, guys? It's Mwest here, and I have a special unboxing for you today. We have the MAONO PD100X USB and XLR microphone. Here we go. I'll go ahead and unbox it, and I'll move this mic. I'll push this mic out the way so that you guys can hear what it sounds like. Just so you guys know, I was sent this microphone for free, but all the thoughts in this review are mine. Okay, I'm not paid to do this review, so I'll let you guys know what I think about it once we get into the sound test portion. All right, folks, we are going to do an unboxing, and then I'll hurry up and get it set up. We don't really need to know what's inside the box, right? I expect there to be very minimal things inside this box. User manual. We have the microphone itself, right? Very light. You can see back here the XLR interface and the USB-C, right? And let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have a base plate, a pretty long USB-C connection, and one of the adapter rings. Now, if you know, if you have any type of mics around, or if this is your first one, these adapters are highly important so that you can attach it to different mounts. Let me go ahead and get everything set up and get this mic out the way so that you guys can hear how the MAONO PD100X actually sounds. And again, this microphone is selling for about $60 right now, right in time for the holidays, and I think it is in a very sweet spot, so long as it sounds good. All right, so we have the mic connected. Looks good, right? So it's XLR and USB-C, and I have it connected via USB-C. If you're using the XLR, you'll still have to connect it via USB-C in order to get the RGB to work. At the very top of the mic, you have a couple of different indicators. So you have a mute button at the very top. You have your gain control, and you have this light bar indicator. This light bar indicator will turn red when it's muted, and then when your gain is low or high, this light bar will also light up to let you know exactly where your gain is, which I think is pretty neat. In addition, this mic works on PS4, PS5, and PC, and there's also the MAONO Link software control, which allows you to finely tune the lighting and make some additional adjustments, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So you get all of this. So you're getting this mic, you're getting two different types of inputs for $60, and then you're also getting software to help you adjust and tune it. You can do some of the fine tuning in OBS, but it's always nice to have an additional application that really knows how to work with the specific mic that you have. All right, so here's the MAONO software. I can't make it bigger. I don't know why, but here we have the mic gain. We can mute and unmute, headphone volume, so you can do monitoring, brightness of the RGB on the actual microphone, so you can kind of make that any color that you want, specify a color or have it go rainbow. Let me put it into the shot. Neutral, legacy, deep. I guess those are different sound tones. Let me know how I sound. Audio test 1 2 3. Audio test 1 2 3. Audio test 1 2 3. There's advanced settings, so different EQ profiles. Audio test 1 2 3. Audio test 1 2 3. Oh, presence boost. HPF presence boost. Audio test 1 2 3. There's limiters, there's a compressor, there's noise filtering, and those different things, which I think is really nice. All right, and then for the final test, we'll go ahead and read the llama book. Llama, red pajama, reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama llama goes downstairs. Llama, red pajama, feels alone with his mama. Baby llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama, red pajama, calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama, red pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Llama, red pajama, whimpers softly for his mama. Mama llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. And we'll stop there. That was an unboxing of the MAONO PD100X. I listened to the sound, and to me it sounds good. Some of the equalizers change the pitch of my voice a little bit, so you can play around with the software yourself and get it to a place where it sounds good. And I think if you use OBS plugins, it should sound even nicer. Overall, I think the mic is worth it for the $60 price point. There'll be a link in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. If you guys have questions, leave something in the comments. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for checking out this video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that goodness, and I am out, YouTube. Peace.